Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SPF DKIM DMARC in Google Domains step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Domains account. Once logged in, select the domain name you want to configure. In the left-hand menu, click on DNS. Scroll down to the Custom Resource Records section. To add an SPF record, find the Add button and click it. In the name field, enter your domain name or @ For the type, select TXT. In the TTL field, you can leave the default setting or customize it. In the data field, enter your SPF record, starting with V equals SPF1. Follow this with the sending servers you want to authorize, then end with all. Click the Save button to add the SPF record. Next, you will set up DKIM. Open a new tab and log into your email service provider. Locate the section for generating DKIM keys. Generate a new DKIM key for your domain. Once generated, copy the public key provided. Return to the Google Domains DNS settings. Again, click the Add button under Custom Resource Records. In the name field, enter the selector you used when generating the DKIM key. Select TXT for the type. Set the TTL to the default or your preferred value. In the data field, paste the DKIM public key you copied. Click Save to add the DKIM record. Now, let's move on to DMARC. Click that Add button one more time in the DNS settings. In the name field, enter _dmarc.yourdomain.com. For the type, select TXT. In the TTL field, set it to. In the data field, enter your DMARC policy, starting with V equals DMARC1. Include the desired policy, none, quarantine, or reject, the report email address, and any other. Click Save to finalize the DMARC record. You have now configured SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for your domain. It may take some time for these changes to propagate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.